Happy Wednesday out there, Team 42. It's your skipper here, Darius to present our macro minute for Wednesday, August 7th, 2024. As always, we'll start with the executive summary from today's leadoff morning note. If you would like to review the analysis supporting these conclusions, as well as what specific changes you need to make in your portfolio to stay on the right side of market risk, you need to be a client of 42 Macro. So today's key macro questions are: have we seen the lows in stocks? Have we seen the top in bonds? Is the boom in private credit over? And is the unwinding of the yen carry trade over? Our answers are: dovish forward guidance from the BOJ increases the probability that we have seen the lows in stocks amid this correction. At the mid-July peak in the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100, our positioning model signaled high risk of a correction in stocks over the short to medium term and reasonable risk of a crash in stocks over the medium to long term. It now sees low risk of a correction and only moderate risk of a crash in stocks over those respective durations. We believe we have seen the top in bonds as U.S. dollar markets reprice the medium-term outlook for the U.S. economy to be more in line with our consistently sanguine view. Emergent stress in the private credit asset class bears watching, as alternative sources of financing have been a contributor to the resiliency of the U.S. economy, a theme we authored back in the summer of 2022. The unwinding of the yen carry trade may continue, but as long as investor fears about U.S. recession risk and accelerated BOJ policy normalization remain contained, it can be done over longer time horizons without contributing to significant market volatility. Transitioning to our 42 macro dashboard. As always, we'll wrap up with a question from our community. This one really isn't a question, but it was some positive feedback that I thought it was worth sharing broadly for those of you who may be on the fence of joining our global community of thoughtful investors here behind the 42 macro paywall. So just wanted to read this. So it says, super happy, a new member. It says, I must say, just after a few short days, I couldn't be more happier to be a 42 macro member. I've been part of other play platforms, and in my opinion, this is the best and exactly what I've been looking for. I've been a fan of Darius from his days on Real Vision, and so I'm glad I pulled the trigger and joined. For me, the weekly around the horn is exactly what I need. After making some mistakes lately with my portfolio, being able to sit down every Friday, get updated with all the incredible info that Darius provides, and then adjust positions accordingly fits my lifestyle and personality very well. Combined with KISS and Dr. Mo, our discretionary risk management overlay, and our KISS portfolio construction process, I feel like I finally have a professional investor looking over my shoulder. Love this. Anyways, just wanted to say how glad I am to be a member and how much more at ease I am when it comes to my portfolio. Thanks, Darius. And thank you, sir, for the really kind feedback. You know, we work really hard here to help our clients achieve superior results in their portfolio. So it means a lot when we get this kind of feedback because it means we are doing our job and we are, keeping our clients on the right side of market risk, which is why I get up so early in the morning and work so hard for. So we appreciate you. I appreciate everyone for tuning in to these macro minutes on a daily basis. I appreciate everyone in our global community, both inside and outside of our paywall. That means a lot to be able to contribute to so many investor thought processes and so many investor portfolios worldwide. So appreciate that. Everyone, have a wonderful day. Catch you back here tomorrow. Best of luck out there. Cheers.